You've evaluated your agents, deployed models locally, and built governance and guardrails into your workflow. Now it's time to go to production. In most organizations, this is where projects stall. Moving from a working notebook or pilot to a production application takes weeks of DevOps coordination, containerization, and infrastructure setup. In Domino, it takes minutes. I'll deploy our triage system as a Domino agent with an application front end, so you can see how the agents handle real incidents. I select the exact experiment configuration I want to deploy, along with the hardware and auto-scaling policies, set permissions for who can access the agent, and Domino handles everything else. The same code I developed and evaluated is exactly what goes live. Here's the triage dashboard. Operators can submit incidents, review the agent's classification and routing decisions, and provide feedback such as flagging incidents for review. This structured feedback flows directly into our evaluation dataset, creating a continuous improvement loop tied to real-world usage. But deployment isn't the finish line. It's where monitoring begins. The same tracing instrumentation I used during development runs in production. To keep production responses fast, evaluation runs asynchronously, and I'll set up my validated judges to run on a scheduled basis against production traffic. Every agent decision, every tool call, and every model response is captured and displayed in my dashboard. Each night, or each hour if needed, Domino will evaluate classification accuracy, routing quality, and communication appropriateness. These metrics aggregate over time, giving me trend lines that reveal gradual drift before it becomes a problem. When something does need attention, maybe accuracy drops on a new incident type or latency spikes during peak hours, I can see it in the monitoring dashboard. And here's where it all comes together. When I need to debug or improve, I can restore any production configuration back into a workspace with one click. Same code, same environment, same data connections. I make my changes, run them through my judges, and redeploy. This tight loop between production and development enables rapid iteration. What you've seen is a complete agentic development lifecycle in one platform, from evaluation design through deployment and continuous improvement. Open to any framework and integrated end-to-end. Are you ready to build production-grade agentic AI with the governance your organization requires? Visit domino.ai or contact us for a demonstration tailored to your specific use case.